G'day guys, it's me again, Aussie Mark. Hey, as you can see from the title, it's time for my first competition. Never done a competition before. Oh well, first time for everything. What am I giving away? Firstly, what I'm giving away is what's really popular in the States right now. It's a little remote control thing called an Airswimmer. Check this out.
Alright, this seems to be some kind of a balloon shark that's remote controlled by, I guess, this guy here. That's pretty awesome, not gonna lie.
I don't take advantage
Aw, he likes her.
Flying that through the mall, flying that down the school corridor, really freaked the kids out. So, how do you win it? What you need to do is you need to see if you can recommend somebody to come and join me on the subscribe list. Either that, or just subscribe yourself if this is the first time you've seen my videos. Either way, if you recommend somebody and shoot me a message telling me who you recommended, both you and that person will go in the draw on December 31st. Nice little tour to kick off the new year. Doesn't matter whether you're a kid or an adult, it seems like it's a bit of fun. So, either get subscribing yourself, I'm checking the list, or find somebody to subscribe and let me know that you recommended them. And then if they have subscribed and you recommended them, hey, not bad, you get yourself in. If you recommend 10 people, you get your name in the draw 10 times. Okay, looking forward to it. Good luck, see ya.